Creating presentations takes time. When AI tools first came out, I was excited about how much faster they could make slide creation. But honestly, most of them didn't quite met my expectations. Now that's finally changing. Google Slides has introduced some powerful AI features that I use almost every day to create presentations much faster. In this video, I will show you these new features and how you can use them to speed up your own workflow. So let's get started. So I will click on blank slides, then create slide. The first thing you can do with the presentation is you can add a reference presentation for style, which means you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can reuse the templates. I have a reference slide which is in my organization's format. It clearly states what kind of format we want from the presentation, and Google Slides will take this and alter it to fit the information. So let's add the reference slide first. So this is my reference slide which I will be using for this presentation. Now I am going to add the data which I want to churn into slides. This is a recent earning report of TCS. I will add this one. So after adding the format and the data, now I will add my prompt. So the prompt is prepare a presentation for top management based on the attached quarterly report. Your task is to distill the key information from the financial data into a compelling executive level narrative that highlights the performance, trends, and business implications. Now I will just press submit. It will take some time and it will ask questions in between. So I will pause the video wherever it is not required for this video. So Gemini thought for some time and analyzed the data which I gave it to it, the reference slide and the TCS quarterly report. And based on that, it's asking questions to me. So let's try to answer it. First, it is asking what is your preferred slide information density. So I will choose balance this one. And desired presentation length is medium. And what I want in the presentation, yes, I want revenue growth, I want profitability impact, I want operational expense and dividend payout. Yeah, I want all the things, and I will press next. Now it has prepared a sketch for my slide. So this is the title slide, then executive summary, revenue growth, and the other slides. Now it is asking for my approval. Since I am satisfied with the sketch which has given to me, now I will approve this one. After a few minutes, the slides are ready, which I can edit it and make more changes in it. Let's see what was the input we gave. So this was the input, which was in tabular format. And this was my company's last presentation. So see how easy it is to make presentation from a format and the data which we have given. I hope so all of you have understood how to easily make presentations using Google Slides. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more videos like this. Share this video with someone you might find it useful. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.